Let's go across then to Gauri Dwivedi, who's caught up with Anil Dua of Hero MotoCorp. Here's an excerpt from
the season sales were not as good as it was expected. Were you satisfied with the numbers, sir?
Oh, we were quite satisfied because the period preceding the season was actually not so good for the industry. And everyone was looking at the season to really turn things around. And I think the way the season has gone, it's really been a record season, at least for Hero MotoCorp. We have, if you recall, on the day of Dhanteras, we sold 100,000 bikes in a single day. And subsequently, if you look at the festival sale, if you look at, for the period starting from then to the end of the last month, it indeed was a record period for us. We've actually crossed 400,000 bikes in 15 days period, which is a record for us. We are just hoping that this momentum will continue going further into rest of November and indeed into December.
In terms of numbers, what could be the projections going forward? As you talked about that this momentum, if it goes on for the next couple of months, what could be the numbers that we're talking here, sir?
It'll be a little premature right now. We still have 4.5 months to go for the year. It'll be premature to talk about overall numbers because we have to see that this momentum indeed sustains itself, and that's a big if. But certainly, currently the momentum is on our side, and we feel that it's a good recovery for the industry as well. And we do feel that the days that we had seen prior to festival, when industry had declined actually by 5%, I'm just hoping that those days are behind us, and we're going to be in the positive zone as an industry going forward.
Given that now you're bullish on the sales going forward, what about inventory pile-up? Has that reduced substantially, or what's the take there, sir?
Yes, there has been some reporting in the media about the inventories. The fact of the matter is that ahead of Diwali, our inventories were at the level that we would have wanted it to be. And currently the inventories are at the level that they should be during such a good festival period. So we're down to about 3.5 weeks of inventories at the moment, which are very comfortable and the way they should be.
Okay. There are some reports suggesting that a 250cc sports bike is in the making with a technology tie-up with EBR. That will be a first indigenously developed bike ahead of Auto Expo 2013-14. How do you see that, sir? How bullish are you on that, sir?
Well, I'm happy to hear all that, but let me reconfirm to you that it's all speculation, and I'll not like to comment on any media speculation. I'll only like to confirm to you that first Hero bikes should see the light of the day in 13-14, but exactly what that bike will be, we will leave to closer to the time.
Okay. So what are the kind of launches that you're talking about, given that in calendar year 2013, a whole host of launches are in the pipeline, sir?
Yeah. Indeed, from our stable, there has been a lot of new news this year. In fact, if you look at April to September period, the first 6 months of this fiscal, we have refreshed our entire range, and almost entire range has been converted from erstwhile joint brand to Hero brand. And it's looking very contemporary, very gleaming. You have to just go to our showrooms and see the spectacle that the range presents. In addition to that, we've launched 2 new models. We've launched Igniter, which is a 125cc bike, and we've launched Passion X Pro, which is a 110cc bike. These are brand new bikes in addition to the entire range transforming itself to the new Hero brand. So similar new news will keep coming from us.
So as far as the Japanese yen is concerned, it's at a 7-month low. Does that impact your royalty payouts, and does that have a positive impact on the company, sir?
I think these are all built into our calculations. It goes up in certain quarters and it goes down in certain other quarters. I don't think in long term it has any impact on the commitments that we made. These are all very well reflected in our accounts and pretty well known to everybody. So I don't think there's any matter of concern there.
Sir, one last question as far as wage negotiations are concerned. Just one question. Do you think settlement that Maruti made could have a huge impact for the sector as a whole and could of course have a bearing on your settlement as well, sir?
Well, I'll say that this is an interconnected world, so it'll be wrong to say that there'll be no implication of what happens in one part of the auto industry or another part. But having said that, Hero MotoCorp is known to be very friendly with its workforce, and we've always done our negotiations in a mutually win-win manner, and I think the same trend will continue.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.